Cosgrove and Quintero, come on inside and see my new listing at 12 Panorama Lane at the Pasatiempo Golf Course. We're having a broker opening today. Let's go upstairs.
Like this place is just insane when it comes to, if you're a car buff, this is the place to go. So this is actually a garage. You've got the full glass door that comes up, and they've got this sort of set up as maybe like a family room, game room type of thing. There's just all kinds of different ways that you can use this. And check out, look at the floors here. It's all stained, color stained cement block.
Yeah.
And again, it's
air conditioned.
You can use it for this, or you can, if you're a car enthusiast, there's room for 2 cars here.
At least.
And then you go across there. That's your other set of garages.
The other garage. So you really could fit in 6.
And then if you check out these garages, especially this one here, it's double deep, so you can probably get 4 cars in this side alone. And then you got over here, you got the same situation. You got double doors, but I think that you can probably get more. And then you got another one over there.
Yeah.
It just gives you the opportunity to have as many cars as you want, and then that's of course assuming that you're not parking things in this area too. So if you're a car collector,
this is it.
Yeah. So
thanks.
Come and check this place out. Lynn's going to be here, I think, today.
1 to 4.
1 till 4. So come, give her a call. Check this place out. It's worth the trip over the hill to check this place out. This is just, I take any opportunity that I can to come here and check the place out and make sure that she's okay. So,
Thank you.
Have a good weekend.